following program contains content unsuitable for children.
Oh boy. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to today's video where I will be attempting to watch the new Thomas & Friends All Engines Go. This is going to be a war zone. This is one of the hardest challenges I will be attempting to do. So, here we go. This is not going to be fun. I'll tell you that. Here we go.
Here comes Thomas on the #1 engine. Whoa! All engines go! Down the hills and round the whoa! All engines go!
Oh my god.
A Thomas promise. Whoa, and just one more track, and I'll beat my Stack the Tracks record. I can't look.
Neither could I really, mate.
I can't not look. Okay, you asked for it. I can do this. I'm the #1 engine. Phew. Ta-da! The new Stack the Tracks record. Yes! Ah! Whoa! Phew. Nice stack, but I bet I could go higher. Hey, Diesel, I'm not done yet. Load me up, Carly. We have a challenger. I got one. Lift me up, Carly. Lift me. You got it, Sandy.
Oh, she's Sandy. What is Sandy exactly?
And see? Told you I could go higher. Well, I bet I could go even higher. My turn. You already had your chance. Let go. You're gonna tip over the stack. No. My turn. Oh no.
Wait. Hold on a minute.
You're gonna tip over the stack. No. My turn.
His wheels actually come off the side of the rails and lands. Oh my. Listen here, parents. Do not make your children watch the film, okay? Have you not read the reviews online? Do not make your children watch this show. Well, the original show, just not this show. Okay, seriously, they're building houses now.
Great gears! Whoa, 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 whoa! Well, that is a fine how do you do.
I win! That's not fair!
And look what you've done. My rear coupling is broken.
Gee, sorry, Gordon. We were just playing a game.
How am I supposed to make my delivery now?
Lift me up! Lift me up! What's all this old stuff?
Well, these items are old, but still very useful. Instead of being thrown away, they're going to Whiff's recycling plant. At least they were.
Whiffs?
Don't worry, Gordon. I'll get it there for you. I Thomas promise. Whoa!
Clearly, this is too big of a job for one little engine.
It may be too big for one little engine, but what about two? I can take half, and Diesel can take the other half. Oh, yeah! Working idea! And then we can race to see who gets there first. That way, I'll have a chance to show everyone that I'm still #1. I think you mean I'll have the chance to beat you again. We'll see about that. Last one to deliver the cargo to Whiffs is a rotten rail spike. Oh, I gotta see this. Come on!
Wait, they actually jump on the rails to get to the other track.
I'm gonna chug. I'm gonna chew. I've got a delivery to do.
Oh my god, there's even a song.
Down hills around each bend. taking this cargo to the end.
I'm gonna chug. I'm gonna chew. There's got to be a way for me to get in front of you.
You hear that? Thomas already made it to the Tunnel of Zoom. But who's winning? Whip's recycling plant, here I come.
Here comes the Diesel Express.
I'm gonna chug.
Oh, not again.
I'm gonna chew.
Please, not again.
I'm almost up to you.
Rules don't say I can't use my smoke to stay ahead.
Smoke's not gonna stop me.
No, but it'll slow you down.
Here comes Thomas. Oh no, I'm on the wrong tracks. And Diesel's getting away. Thomas should have reached the final tunnel by now, but I didn't hear him whistle. Hope he's not in trouble. I'm in trouble! Ah! Ah! Look out, Thomas! Oh no!
I'm sorry. Literally, Thomas jumped over an engine. What in... Okay, this is ridiculous now.
Gordon's cargo!
And now Sandy's riding a bicycle. Unbelievable. Sandy is riding a bicycle. How does an engine ride a bicycle? This is ridiculous. Utterly ridiculous.
Thomas can beat me now. Ah! Wait, I'm going the wrong way.
Thomas, catch! Thanks, guys. Next up, whips. Time for a track attack. Go, Thomas!
Hold on to your stack, cause Diesel's back.
What is it with the rhyming? Seriously. Why is... This isn't Dr.
I'm gonna
Seuss.
chug,
Oh,
I'm gonna chew.
we're singing again.
I'm gonna pull ahead of you.
We're singing again.
This ought to slow him down.
Huh?
See you at the finish line.
I'm gonna chug.
Please don't
I'm
sing
gonna
again.
chew. I'm gonna catch up to you. Phew. That's hard work. Oh no! Whoa! My cars!
Oh no! Well,
That was close. Ah! Percy, duck! Quack! Don't worry, Thomas. I switched the tracks to stop your runaway cars. Harley, those tracks are out. Look. Oops. Looks like I'm gonna be out too. Oh no! Epic mud plunge. Come on, we gotta get you back on the track. Oh, what's the point? Diesel's so far ahead now, I'm never gonna win the race. Guess I'm not really number one after all. You're still number one to me. You can still be a great train and not win everything, Thomas. And you promised Gordon you'd make this delivery no matter what. You know what? You're right. I made a Thomas promise, and I'm gonna keep it.
oh, he's gonna sing again. He's gonna sing again.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
chug.
He's gonna
I'm
sing.
gonna chew. I've got a promise coming through. We're gonna chug. We're gonna chew. We're gonna help push you. Thanks again, everyone.
Ah. Come on, come on, come on!
Oh, they're gonna sing again. Yeah, yeah.
We're gonna chew.
Oh my god.
We've got a delivery to do.
Oh god.
Whoa! There's no beating me now, and I think I'm actually getting stronger. It feels like I'm not even pulling anything. I won! I won the race!
We're gonna chug. We're gonna chew. We've got a delivery promise coming true.
What? How?
Looks like you dropped a few things. You mean everything. You may have gotten here first, Diesel, but Thomas kept his promise.
Thank you, Thomas, for keeping your promise.
I couldn't have done it without help from Percy, Sandy, Carly, and Diesel.
Me?
Your cargo fell out, but you got most of the way here yourself.
That's true.
Well, as long as everything got here, I'm happy. Except that my coupler's still broken.
Maybe I can help. I found an old coupler that fell off of Diesel's cargo. That should do it. Give her a try now.
Thank you, Sandy. Thank you, everyone.
Race you back?
Oh, you're on. I've got to see this too. All right. Woohoo!
Well, I did say I'd watch it and not be one of those people who didn't watch it before actually saying it was horrible, but there you go. I've watched it, and it is absolutely horrendous. In fact, there's not even a word that can describe how horrible this abomination is. Yes, it's an abomination. Yes. And parents out there, if you're watching this video, please, spare your children. Do not make them watch this. And I know that there is a film coming out soon of Thomas and Friends, All Engines Go, but do not make them watch this, please, for their sake. And until next time, everyone, cheerio. This is ridiculous, honestly. This is utterly ridiculous. I am not watching this.